Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Zhang Quan multifunction stainless steel kitchen scissors. Quick and easy cooking can opener, nutcracker, and it comes with this handy dandy magnetic holder where you can stick it right on the fridge for easy access. So there are it's 8 tools in one. It's built to perform multiple jobs, ensuring you save time and use that time on more important things. So it's 8 tools in one, built to perform multiple jobs, ensure you save time and use that time on more important things. So I'm going to show you a couple of features about these scissors. First of all, they come apart like that. You want to wash them with hot soapy water with a nice brush, and then you just stick them. Oops, I'm having a little trouble here sticking them back together. There we go, stuck back together. And this right here is a vegetable peeler, or peeler in general. Peel apples or anything like that. This here is a nutcracker. This here is a bottle opener. This here, if you need to open up an old school can like of pineapple juice, you can punch 2 holes in the pineapple juice. It's also a scissors that you can use on poultry. You can actually pull it apart and use this either one as a single blade to cut things such as like cucumbers, or same with carrots. It's multi-use. There we go, put it right back together. It's really helpful in the kitchen. It performs a host of duties. Nice, good opening. I love that it comes apart so you can clean it properly. It has a spring embedded in it. It comes off when you pull the 2 scissors apart. But like I said, 8-in-1 design, really handy dandy. Love the pocket for protection, and absolutely love the magnetic back to stick it right on the fridge. You can also use this middle part here as a foil cutter for bottles of wine, or use it as a twisting bottle opener. And just a great product to have in your kitchen. It actually, one of these you can scale a fish with this part of the blade, so you can take the scales off. It's not too sharp, it's not going to cut me, but it's a very nice sharp product. And once again, I put it on backwards, so highly recommended. It's safe when you keep it in this little pocket, which is super nice. These scissors are serious business. They're definitely, a great thing to have in your kitchen arsenal. It's about 10.5 inches long. It has a hefty weight. It's about 8.8 ounces. These really mean business when it comes to tackling anything that you need to cut in your kitchen. I'm going to just demonstrate it on a paper towel that's folded over a couple times. Cuts right through with ease. Nice sharp cuts. So that was like 3 or 4 layers of paper towel. And once again, you can put them in this handy little holder, stick it right on your fridge, and yeah, just a great little product all around. Especially the nutcracker, that's a fun thing. You can use that on walnuts, that you can add to salads. But overall, great product. I've been using it for a few weeks now. I love it. My husband loves it. It has this awesome little home that you can keep on the fridge. And like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.